is a great power invented by man. We get electricity to our houses from power stations. It is 230 volt AC. This is an electric cell. It is a source of low power electricity. It has 1.5 volt DC. It has two terminals, positive terminal, negative terminal. This is an electric cell. Cell has a zinc case filled with chemicals and a carbon rod with a metal cap in the center. Carbon rod is positive terminal and the zinc case is negative terminal. When the chemicals are used up, the cells stop producing electricity. A bulb has a tungsten filament inside the glass. The filament is connected through wires to two terminals. A bulb has two terminals, the metal case and the bottom end of the bulb. Here, one terminal of the cell is connected with a wire to a terminal of the bulb. The other terminal of the bulb is similarly connected to the other terminal of the cell. This is called a circuit. The electricity flows from the positive terminal of the cell through the wire into the bulb. It flows through the filament and flows back to the negative terminal of the battery. This is called a closed circuit. Due to the flow of electricity, the filament glows. A bulb has a tungsten filament inside the glass. The filament is connected through wires to two terminals.
So the current first flows through the negative terminal. When the switch is not joined or when the switch is broken, the bulb doesn't glow. So when I close the temporary switch, the bulb starts glowing and it is turned on.
Types of electric circuits: simple closed circuit and simple open circuit.
Lakshita is going to present the open circuit and the closed circuit. Items required for our project. So these are the required materials. So first we have the 9 voltage battery. It's for general purpose. In this side we see the positive and in this side we see the negative. This is for the negative and this is for the positive. We here see the positive wire and the negative wire. This is the light I'm going to use. It's the normal bulb. So let's connect all of them. Now I'm going to present the open circuit. So open circuit is generally we don't connect the bulb with the negative circuit so that it won't connect. I'm going to show the closed circuit. While we connect all, it completes the circuit and the light glows.
When there is a break anywhere in the circuit, the electricity stops flowing. This is called an open circuit.
Electric switch.
A switch is a simple device to make or break a circuit. If the circuit is closed by the switch, we call it switch on. If it breaks the circuit, we call it switch off. In this switch, a safety pin and a drawing pin are used to make a switch.
Electric conductors and insulators.
Electricity can pass through some materials and they are called conductors. Some materials will not allow electricity to pass through them and they are called insulators. We can use an open circuit to find out if a material is a conductor or an insulator. This is an open circuit. A cell connected to the buzzer instead of a bulb. Two metal rods are connected to the circuit. When they are connected to the buzzer, they will make a sound. A conductor will close the circuit and produce sound, but an insulator will not. An eraser, a wood, are insulators. Iron nail and blade are conductors. In general, metals are conductors. An electric wire contains metal wire. It is a conductor. It is covered with plastic cover. It is an insulator.